Hello, everyone. My name is Enrique Wong, and I'm your composition and rhetoric professor. I'm recording this video to introduce myself. This is the first thing that we have to do today. And I'm recording the video in the hope that you follow my example and do the same thing today and until the activity is open. Um, Let me tell you a little bit about my background first. I have a BA in English. I have another BA in comparative literature, one NEH in philosophy, and a master's in education. Most recently, I've been teaching composition and rhetoric for a good many years now. I have been working for the university since 1997 when I first arrived in Ecuador, which is more than 20 years now, and I've been teaching composition and rhetoric online since the year 2005. I really enjoy teaching online. First, I was teaching composition and rhetoric face to face. I'm full-time professor from the university, but I was first teaching face to face until I gradually began to change the modality until I finally started teaching online full time. I am not currently living in Ecuador. I'm living in Spain, but this module I'm planning to visit the university in a couple of weeks, and I'm staying until the end of the module in October. So chances are that we are going to be meeting personally if you want to do so. I enjoy teaching online, as I said before. I have the firm belief that technology is becoming more and more important in our daily lives, and education, which is part of our lives, is making great use of it. I hope you enjoy this experience the same, and I hope that you now record the video introducing yourself and telling me about your background, what your major is, and all this general information that your classmates are going to need in order to get acquainted with each other. I am expecting, my expectation for this activity is that you view all the videos posted here in in this introductory section of the class, and that you at least make a comment to 4 or 5 videos posted by your partners. It's important that you take the time to watch the videos posted here because we won't be having physical interaction. Our interaction is going to be online mostly. I I am planning to record another video and post it tomorrow, giving you a welcome tour to the class, explaining the most important features of the class and paying special attention to the second week, which is a typical week in my course. In the meantime, I want you to please navigate through the page, visit all the features that D2L offers. If you have used D2L before, you realize that starting this module, we have a new version, a more updated one version. So I'm asking you to please feel free to access every single link and every single navigation bar in the class and ask questions if you feel that you need clarification. One more time, I would like to welcome you to my class, and I'm very, very excited to have you here.